Hi my dear students, how is going your days? Good? Hope all are fit and fine. Today we will not learn any new lesson or any other topic. So, we are going to revise our portions for half yearly examination. Okay?
Children, first let us discuss a previous question paper. In all question papers, you can see a passage. Okay, and what you want to do that one? It's very simple. Reading part it is. It is general English. So you have to read the passage very well, 1 or 2 or 3 times. Read it thoroughly, then only answer the following questions. And here also one passage. Read the passage and answer the following questions. Kira was a caterpillar. Do you know caterpillar? Kira. What is the name of caterpillar? Kira. Kira was a caterpillar. She had a long soft body. How is caterpillar's body? Long and soft. She had many tiny feet. How is her feet? Tiny, very tiny, small. She sat on the leaves all day and ate them slowly. Where did she sit? She sat on the leaves all day and ate. Ate is the past tense of eat. Ate them slowly. No one could see Kira because caterpillar is small. No one could see Kira when she sat on the leaves. When she sat on the leaves, no one could see her because her color also green. Caterpillar's color is green. She was the same color as the leaves. Kira's best friend was Kunal. Who is Kunal's best friend? Kira. Kira's best friend is Kunal. He was a round, dark, brown and shiny beetle. Who is Kunal? He was a round, dark, brown and shiny beetle. Kunal had wings. Kunal had wings to fly. So he could fly and see many things and places. He always had interesting stories to tell about all the things he saw. Okay, he could fly and he always had interesting stories to tell about all the things he saw. Kira loved Kunal's stories. Kira loves to hear Kunal's stories. This is the passage. Like this, when you read the passage, understand its meaning very well, then only you can answer the questions. Now, let us check the questions. What it is? Question 1. Write a suitable title for the story. That is the first question. What you can write there? Title, heading. We want a heading for this story. Anything you can write, okay, but it should be apt for the passage. We can write here Kira and Kunal. Very simple it is. Kira and Kunal. See, both K we should write in capital letter because it is proper noun. Kira, one name and special name, and Kunal also special name for beetle. And second question. Now listen the second question. Kira was a dash. Who was Kira? Butterfly or caterpillar? Caterpillar. So you can write the answer over here. Kira's best friend was Kunal or Rahul? Wow, it's very easy question. Then it is Kunal. Kira's color was the same color of trees or leaves. Of course, it's leaves. Okay. Kira had a long and dash body. Hard body or soft body? Kira had soft body. Okay. It's soft. Like this you should answer the questions. Okay. Children, we have already learned common noun and proper noun. What is a common noun? We use for any person, a place, a thing, an animal. Examples: boy, city, pen, mother, father, like that. Then what is a proper noun? It's a special name for a person, a place, a thing, an animal. Examples: Kitty, India, Ali. And it begins with a capital letter. Write the proper nouns in each group. First one, Donald, cat, pencil. Which is the proper noun? Donald. Second one, friend, classmate, Ravi. Ravi is the proper noun. Desk, California, tree. California is a proper noun. Vidyanagar, flower, egg. Vidyanagar. Elephant, father, Harun. Harun is the proper noun. Next question, listen. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. The rivers of India. Rivers is common. India is proper noun. Second one, the Queen of England. Queen, that is common noun, and England is proper noun. Third one, the people of France. People is common noun and France is proper noun. Fourth one, the animals in the Gir forest. Animals, it is common. Gir forest is proper noun. The beaches of Chennai. Beaches is common noun. Chennai is proper noun. My cousin from America. Cousin is common. America is proper noun. And children, always listen one thing. Common noun will begin with small letter and proper noun begins with a capital letter. Children, now next one is pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are used in place of nouns. Pronouns are used in place of nouns. Pronouns can be singular. Singular pronouns are I, you, she, he, it. And plural pronouns are you, we, they. Okay. Children, now listen here. Complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. Listen, first question. Ritu is my friend. Ritu is my friend. Here, Ritu is noun. Now, next sentence. Dash is very kind. Instead of Ritu, which pronoun do we want to use? Ritu is a girl. So, we need here she. Now, number 2. Vimal is in class 1. Here, Vimal is the noun. Next one, Dash loves math. Vimal, instead of Vimal, we need here he. Now, third question, Mousy is my cat. Mousy is here noun, and what we want to use instead of Mousy? Dash drinks milk. It is an animal. We can use here it. It. The last question is, Nia and I are friends. Dash go to the same school. Nia and I. Plural. We need here plural pronouns. Nia and I is included. So instead of Nia and I, we need here what? Which pronouns do we want to use here? We. We go to the same school. Okay, children, understood? Now you practice these grammar parts at your home very well. Okay, thank you.